Today's toy is a transforming robot from Sharper Image. This is for ages 6 and up. It does come in 2 different frequencies, so you can play with a friend, and it also comes in different colors. It says that it transforms from robot to car in seconds. It has spinning and racing action. You will need 3 AA batteries for the car and a 9-volt for the remote control, and shockingly, they have included the 9-volt with this toy. Everything you need to know on how to operate is right here. It doesn't get simpler than that. And with that out of the way, let's take it outside and try it out. Before I show you this toy in action, I want to tell you a couple of things that the box does not. The on and off switch is right here underneath the back fin. You just flip it there. And when you put the batteries in, it's very important to have this slide all the way on this dot right here, or the toy will not work. Very frustrating. We're not even going to say how many minutes it took us to figure that one out. Now, let's see the toy in action.